Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's still Thursday, July the 7th, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles. Sudoku with 3 stars, X3 at 2 stars. Sudoku with 4 stars, X3 at 2 stars. We have two puzzles left, the tectonic with 4 stars and the binary. Yes, it's binary time, and this one will be number 4816. And what kind of binary is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary. Yes, that means in a column or in a row there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Well, here we have 3 ones, so the last one should be here in the middle, because I cannot place it there, I cannot place it here, otherwise we have 4 O's in a row, so it must be in the middle. Here 2 O's and there 2 O's. Yes. Then between 2 O's comes in 1. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then. Between 2 ones comes an O, double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O, double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Then, let me see. I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, and the fourth O. So this box should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Then I think we need to compare. Yeah. Okay. I cannot compare the columns, so I need to compare the rows. Okay, here, double O. Do we have a double O? We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This one I cannot compare. We have a double O here. How about this? O10. O10, 101. Nope, I cannot compare this one. O10, 101. It's almost the same here. Yeah. So this should be switched. How about 101? Do we have a 101 here? No. Almost the same here. 101, 01. Oh yes. This row and that row. 1100, 1100. Empty box. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, there should be no. We have an O here, there should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Finish in 4 minutes. Only one time comparing. Yes, and I like this one. I really do think so. thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.